Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Consumer prices jumped 1.1% in July, chiefly on higher prices for farm produce worsened by the ongoing drought. That's the biggest jump in prices since September last year. It helped to bring inflation to 4.3% for the last 12 months. That's still within the 4 to 6% range that the Bank of Jamaica is targeting. In more details, rises in the price of produce such as carrots, cabbage, lettuce, onions, tomatoes and yams were the main drivers of inflation, as was higher costs for petrol and airline tickets. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.28. The Canadian dollar, $102.01. The pound is now going for $165.15, while the euro sells for $153.98. The JMMB Group is reporting profit amounting to $1.1 billion for the 3 months April to June. That's up 17% from a year ago. JMMB says the performance was driven largely by growth in its core business, chiefly gains on trading in securities such as stocks and bonds. On the stock market, the JSE index continued its strong performance today, posting gains of 2,392 points. The junior market index lost 50. Among the winners of the day were Radio Jamaica, Pulse Investments, ISP Finance, Blue Power, and The Lab. On the losing end were Lasco Finance, Caribbean Cream, Stationery and Office Supplies, Jetcon, and Siboney Group. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.